Hey guys! This is a requested video and I was asked to use a Walmart mirror to make a decorative wall mirror and also a storage. This is what I came up with and I'd like to share with you guys how I made this. Now I went to Walmart and I got Domino Racks. I got 2 packs of these and this is what it looked like. And now I'm going to be gluing 2 together using wood glue. After gluing them together, I used a large peg to hold them in place and left it overnight to dry, and I made 4. These are leftover wood pieces that I'm going to be using, and they had holes in them, and then I covered the holes because they had screws that I used for a different project. So now I'm going to be connecting or adding the domino pieces with the wood using screws. And remember to always use wood glue and screw together, just to make sure that they all stay in place. I'm going to be repeating the same thing with the marks that I have here for the other pieces. And for this part of the wood, I'm going to be covering it up with white paint. A full list of all the items used will be in the description box below. Now if you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. I used 2 coats of white paint. And now I'm going to be gluing on the other side, on top. And this is what it looks like. I had to paint the top because it was looking really rough. This is the mirror we're going to be using that I got from Walmart. And then I used a transparent tape to cover it up for protection during spray painting. And now I got craft sticks and I'm going to be gluing 2 craft sticks like this. And I will be making 38 pieces in total. And I'll be using these pieces that I'm making to form the design for the mirror. Like I said earlier, I made 38 pieces, and this is how I'm going to be gluing them down to the mirror. This is what it looks like, and then I spray painted it silver. I then went ahead and I removed the tape. These are mini plastic spoons that I got from the Dollar Tree, and these are the parts that I will be using. And then I added them to the design. I also used 1-inch squared mirrors. I'm going to be using these hooks at the back. And I used these 6000 and I left it overnight to dry. These are popsicle sticks at the lower side. And then I'm going to be using command strips too. And this is to compensate for the height of the hooks that we're going to be using. And the command strips at the lower side is so that I can have the board firm and sturdy on the wall. Now I turned it over and then I glued on the main design with a mirror on top of it using an E6000 glue. The frame of the Walmart mirror is wood, and so for added security I added nails. I did this on both upper sides of the mirror. And this is what it looks like, and then I added push lights. I forgot to mention that I used gems to complete the design. The mirror looks pretty on its own, but then with added storage, it's always a win-win. I took cup hooks and then I put them here. I screw them on here, and that's to enable me hang other items. It's always a good thing to have extra storage in the home, and hey, it's behind the mirror. This is not where I intend to mount this. I only did this here so you guys can have a better view, clear of other items in the home. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below, and remember to like and share, and also remember to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. Thank you so much for watching. I have other videos linked in the description box below. Do check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.